church. Mag-seatbelt ka kung nakiyak. There's the beach. The beach. Ayan o, there's the beach. Ayan o, the ocean. You saw an ocean? Yeah, we're near now. Around 30 minutes more. Yeah, finally. Yeah. After 7 hours, we're here. How do you know it's 7 hours? Yeah. We're here now. I told him that when he can see a beach. This one's the beach. We're near now. The ocean, yeah, that's the ocean. See? This atin lang pag sa pag-work eh. May beach kayo din? Magpa-picture kayo mo? Ah? Ayan, Kambingan. Buko juice. So, we're near vegan na. I can smell vegan na. Yeah, this one. Oh, see. That one, oh. That's for the fishermen. Santa Maria Nos Casa de Romas. Santa Maria West Central vegan. Ayan. Higit ko na yung vegan. Did you see the vegan sign? No. Oh my God. Oh my God. Kaya ka stop. Tuto yata ito. Ganda ng daan. Ito kaya may swerte. Wow, good. There's a ano kasi there's a that one, I tawag Noah's Ark.
Farmers market.
Oh, what here? Ano yung Noah's Ark?
What is that?
Ay, kahit tawag ikit. Do you know where's the sand? Huh? There's no sand. That's a picture spot. Picture spot. Okay. This is our picture spot. Kapit na yan. Pwede ka mag-picture kami dito.
Ocean property lagi. Ocean.
Let's have. This is the wall. The wall with the picture. It's like the wall of China. Apo.
The wall of China.
The wall of China.
I don't think it's mango yan ko. Our earthquakes here. In this area, I don't think so. I think more flooding. It's more flooding. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Ayan. Tapos candy po ata pwede kang magpa-picture something. Balang tourist ka. Ayan. Stopover place siya para picture man yan. Ano, ay tapo, itang kaike, itang libutan. Sharp curve. This is a sharp curve. Ayan o, magpa-picture la po ding tourist can. Aling rock formation, no? Ay, no overtake na kanina yan. Magpago. Magpaget ang babo. Magpago. Wala na ba yung bridge yan? Kapya, kape. Ayan yung bridge. Ayan yung bridge. Atin yung welcome to Vegan. Ilocos Sky pala. Welcome to yan o. This is the ano. Yan o. Ay wala na itang welcome. Yan o. Ayan o. Di ako na itang welcome kini. Dati iting mga sulat kini. Dati mga sulat. Opo, dati iting mga sulat. Welcome to Kaigen. So ano? Ayan. Ayan. Welcome to Bantay.
sa kayo?
Wow, salin ako.
Ito oh.
Pagkatan mo eh.
Kilo, tali. Awak, madali ka na yan. Tapok ng panantok.
Sino sila?
Tiragina no?
Ha? Victoria Hotel.
Nakita ka mo?
Best. We need the hotel yun.
One Victoria Hotel.
Nagyari. Siguro po itong takal-taon eh. Manayari.
Try natin.
Change my glasses. It's getting dark.
Siguro naman na kailangan mag-quiz yan bago may daluban tamo. Ah? Ang palog eh. Itong 7 shipping tamo kay. Shipping na yun ang city barangay hall. Sa 85 din kay gani gas kaman. Ang palog eh. Kini tandal wala kantay.